For today's AR testing, we are going to read Manners Matter on a Field Trip.
Manners Matter on a Field Trip by Lori Mortensen. Illustrated by Lisa Hunt. Let's go! The big day is finally here. All of the students are really excited.
Let's sit together. Okay.
Today, the class will go on a field trip to the museum.
I've never been to the museum.
The teacher checks to make sure the class is ready to go.
Good. You brought your permission slip.
The students bring bunches of lunches.
I have a ham sandwich.
The teacher brings schedules and tickets. Students going on field trips bring something else too. Manners.
I can help with the lunches.
Thanks.
They bring good manners.
This isn't too heavy.
And they bring bad manners.
Achoo! Please cover your mouth.
Manners are the way people treat others and the things around them.
Thanks.
All aboard! Where do manners start on a field trip? At the museum? On the bus? Manners on a field trip start before people even get on the bus. When the bus doors open, Jason and Alex use bad manners. They rush to the doors like football players. Shauna and Simon use good manners. They respect their classmates. They line up and wait their turns to get on the bus. On the bus, Nina uses bad manners. She drops her backpack on the seat so no one else can sit there.
Where can I sit?
Justin uses good manners. He makes room for someone else to sit down.
Thanks.
Buses hold a lot of people. Students on the bus sit close together. Ryan uses bad manners. He bothers everyone around him like a pesky fly. He pokes. He yells. He kicks others.
Hey! I can't wait to see the dinosaurs. Me too.
Kara and Trisha use good manners. They talk quietly. They keep their hands and feet to themselves. We're here. Manners are important when the bus arrives at the museum.
Let's go.
Me first.
Sasha, Lily, and Reed use bad manners. They jam into the aisle like it's a race. Devin uses good manners when he waits his turn. He lets people in front of him get off the bus first.
I'll wait for you outside, Devin.
Travis and Lisa use bad manners when they run off the bus.
I bet I can climb that.
Me too.
They do whatever pops into their heads.
Stop, please.
Janice uses good manners when she gets off the bus. She stays with her group and listens to the chaperone. The museum has rules. Some rules are explained by guides.
If you have a question, please raise your hand.
Some rules are posted on signs. Noah uses bad manners when he ignores the rules. He reaches for things he's not supposed to touch. Other students use good manners. They listen to the guide and follow the
behind this rope.
Kara stays with the group. She touches only what she is allowed to touch.
Wow, cool.
Kara uses good manners later, too. She says thank you to the adults who were there.
That was great. Thanks. Thanks for the ride.
You're welcome.
Thanks for the fun day.
Field trips are about learning and having fun. If everyone uses good manners, the class will learn a lot and have fun, too. How was your trip?
It was awesome.
Okay, so now let's test. Okay, so number 1. Shauna and Simon used good manners when they raised their hands before speaking, remembered their boots for the field trip, turned off the lights as they left the room, or waited their turns to get on the bus. They waited their turns. Question 2. How did Justin use good manners on the bus? He talked to the new student. He made room for someone else to sit. He waited while the boy with crutches was in the aisle. He helped Nina find her ticket. He made room for someone else to sit. What did pesky Ryan do on the bus? He took off his shoes. He kicked others. He put gum on the seat, or he threw wads of paper. He was kicking others. Janice got off the bus and used good manners when she listened to the chaperone, carried tickets for the teacher, stepped over the mud puddle, lined up at the museum door. When she listened to the chaperone. How did Kara follow the museum rules? She talked quietly while the guide was speaking. She did not use her camera. She touched only what she was allowed to touch, or she threw away her trash. She threw her trash away. 4 stars for this book.